Good morning, everyone. Hello, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your homes and you all must be very safe. I am your teacher, Muskan Sharma. We will be studying maths today. I am your maths teacher from Vidya Palbhavan School. Okay, so today is your online class, right? Today is your video you have to see instead of your Zoom class, right? So we all have completed till exercise 5.5, right? Now we will move further to our studies. We will do word problems today, okay? We will do word problems today. We will understand two word problems which are given in the example. Okay, we have to do that. Also, for your extra information, complete all your work which we have done till yet. Complete till exercise 5.5. Okay, so that your notebooks can be completed. Complete that work. आपकी notebook कभी भी मंगवाई जा सकती है. Okay, also start practicing from now because your half yearly exams may be conducted, right? I explained you this about. So just do it. Also start practicing, okay? That is very important for you all, right? So moving forward to our word problems, let's see. Take out page number 73, okay? Page number 73, word problems, below your exercise 5.5. So we are doing word problems, okay? This is your first example which we are doing. I have written just question here so that we can understand this question first and then we can move forward to our answer or solution, right? First of all, it is very important to understand the question and then only we can make the statements and do the question, right? So the question is, in a bus there are 12 rows of seats. If the bus can hold 540 passengers, then how many seats are there in each row? ओके सो क्या क्वेश्चन है ये? बस में 12 रोज हैं. सीट्स की कितनी रो हैं? 12 रो हैं. अगर बस में 540 पैसेंजर्स बैठ सकते हैं, देन देयर विल बी हाउ मेनी सीट्स आर देयर इन ईच रो. अगर 12 ही रो हैं और 540 पैसेंजर बैठ सकते हैं तो कितनी सीट्स होंगी उस बस में? व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इन दैट? If we have to take out the total number of seats in 12 rows containing 540 passengers, what we have to do that in this situation? Exactly, we will divide the numbers. So see how we will do it. So this is the solution of the question. Total number of passengers are 540. First of all, do it in notebook. Okay, don't ask me for this. You have to do this in your notebook. That's it. Then number of seats in a bus are 12, right? Number of seats in each row in the bus, right? Then number of seats in each row is, what we have to do? Divide like this. आपकी book में there is wrong division done. So just take care of that. Don't write that. आपको ये ही note down करना है. वो वाला note down नहीं करना. आपकी book में गलत दिया है. Okay. So while dividing 540 into 12, we have done, firstly 12 into 4 is 48. We have written 48. 54 minus 48, 6, carrying over 0. 12 into 5 is 60. 60 आ गया, remainder बचा 0. So answer is 45. Okay, the answer is 45, right? Therefore the number of passengers in each row is 45. Also just take care of this thing that आपकी जो लास्ट लाइन दे रखी है बुक में वो भी गलत है. डू नॉट कॉपी फ्रॉम देयर, जस्ट राइट फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो. क्लियर? सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ पैसेंजर्स इज इक्वल्स टू 540. When we divided 540 divided by 12, the answer is 45. That means the number of passengers in each row is 45, or the number of seats in each row is 45. Clear? I hope this is clear to you all. If there is any problem, you can ask me in the Zoom class. Okay, if there will be any problem regarding this these concepts, if there will be any of the problem, you can ask me in the chat box, or chat box which is given in your app, or you can ask me in the Zoom classes. That will be more comfortable for both of us. Okay, so you can ask me there. Moving on to our next example. Again, I'm telling you, you have to do this example in your notebook, and the next example which we are doing next, that also you will do it in your notebook. Okay, just write the questions in the dotted form. Do not write it in full form, right? पूरा question आपको नहीं लिखना है. You will just write the question in the dotted form. Is this clear to you, everyone? Now moving on to example number 2. Now the next question, very important example it is. The product of two numbers is 5075. Okay, so this is the product of the two numbers. So two numbers का product क्या है? 5075. Clear? Then if one of the number is 25, find the other number. Okay, अगर एक नंबर 25 है तो दूसरा नंबर फाइंड करिए. Okay, so this is the question. Now, what we have to do in this, first of all, you must be getting confused that ये product है और तब भी हम क्या करेंगे, right? So don't get confused. I will just show you the demo. First of all, मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि किस तरह से करना है. Let's see that. So you all can see that this is the correct question. ये हमारा question है. That 25 multiplied dash is equals to 5075, right? हमें इन्होंने प्रोडक्ट बता रखा है कि क्या है. प्रोडक्ट हमारा ये है. एक नंबर भी बताया हमें इन्होंने कि 25 है. Now we have to find the other number, the next number, that what is the other number from which we can find out. वो कौन सा नंबर है जो कि 25 से मल्टीप्लाई होकर आंसर में आ रहा है 5075. So in that case, what we have to do? Exactly, we need to divide the number so that we can get the other number or the second number which we don't have, right? हमारे पास ये वाला नंबर नहीं है ना. So we have to find out that number. और हमें उस नंबर को निकालने के लिए what we will do? We will just divide the numbers. अभी भी नहीं समझ में आया, मैं आपको छोटे नंबर से एग्जाम्पल बताती हूँ. Let's suppose this is your question, okay? You just have to imagine कि आपका ये नंबर है. अब आप बताओ कि 3 इंटू हम क्या करें कि हमारा 6 आ जाए. हम 3 में ऐसा क्या मल्टीप्लाई करें कि हमारा 6 आ जाए. एग्जैक्टली, इसका आंसर आपको बहुत अच्छे से पता होगा. दैट वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई 2 टू गेट द 6. अगर हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 को तो हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा 6, राइट? आपको सबको पता होगा ये. नाउ जस्ट थिंक कि अगर आपको ये नहीं पता होता तो आप क्या करते. आप अगर 6 को 3 से डिवाइड भी करोगे तो भी ये नंबर आ जाएगा, राइट? आप 6 को डिवाइड करके देखिए 3 से तो भी 2 ही आ जाएगा. क्लियर? तो भी आपके पास 2 ही आएगा. सो वैसे ही अगर ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है तब हमें डिवाइड ही करना होता है. ओके, वी ऑल नो दैट यहाँ पर 2 आएगा. बट इन द बिगर नंबर्स, अगर बड़े नंबर्स हैं तो बड़े नंबर्स को निकालने के लिए, ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने के लिए व्हाट वी नीड टू डू? वी नीड टू डिवाइड द नंबर्स, राइट? लेट्स सी हाउ टू डू. So this is how we will do the question. Again in this question also आपका जो डिविजन पार्ट दे रखा है वो गलत दे रखा है बुक में. आप वो नोट नहीं करेंगे. You will note only this one. Okay. This is how you will do. Product of two numbers is 5075. One of the numbers is 25. Therefore the other number is 5075 divided by 25. The answer will be this. This is how we will divide the numbers and we will get the answer. Clear? So while dividing 25 and 5075, you can see I have taken out two numbers together. ठीक है, पहले 25 इंटू 2 किया 50, 0 आ गया. 7 नीचे कैरी लिया. 7 इज छोटा है 7. सो वी विल टेक 5 अगेन. 5 को भी कैरी लेंगे, दो नंबर्स एक साथ लेते हैं तो 0 लगाते हैं. देन 25 into 3 is 75. This is how we did our division. Clear? So answer is 203. Okay, so therefore the other number is 2003. This was some confusing question because ऐसे questions आपके पास पहली बार आए हैं. But these are very easy questions, trust me. Okay, very very easy questions they are. You don't have to do anything in these type of questions. So that these are very easy. Just practice. They need just practice. Okay. Also, you have to do this question also in your notebook. Do not ask me for that again. Notebook में ही करना है. Clear? Moving on. That's all students for today. Just दो ही questions करने थे. Thank you so much students. This is all. That is the end of the class and the video. Okay, your homework is just to complete the classwork and all the work which you have not done yet. Also, this is a request to each and every child to help each other in this pandemic. Okay, so this is very necessary for you all to help each other, right? So that you all can complete your work and score well in your exams. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay at your homes.